Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and check out this amazing area rug from SunNewt.
If you are looking for a rug that feels like a blanket, this is the rug for you. It is so soft and cushy. It is made from this faux wool material that has this really velvety, soft surface that is just absolutely so amazing. The back of this rug is made with a really great anti-skid material, so it is going to stay in place wherever you put it. It is the perfect rug. Everyone wants to spend more time on it. My pets love it. I love it. I find myself spending more time sitting on the floor now because of how soft and comfortable this rug is. And it is stain resistant surface and also is machine washable, which is such a huge plus if you have kiddos or pets, because we all know how rugs can take a beating. But it is super easily cleaned just by vacuuming, and I am just so impressed with the quality of this rug. This really beautiful boho striped pattern that has just such a light pattern to it really lends itself to go in any type of house with any type of decor. I really am just completely obsessed with this rug.
So if you want one of the softest, most cozy area rugs, get this one from SunNewt. You will not be disappointed, and that is my point of view.